Yoga Slim 7 Snapdragon. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. Pros: Next-Gen IPC. Multi-day battery life. Premium Suite. Lenovo AI Core Chip. Super thin and light. Pure Sight OLED. The Yoga Slim 7X, 14, Snapdragon, AI laptop. It's not just smart, it's your creative sidekick that knows what you need before you do. Built for AI, it streamlines your creative tasks with leading on-device intelligence action. Creative performance redefined. Experience unparalleled performance with the Snapdragon X Elite processor. Its next-general neural processing unit, NPU, delivers up to an industry-leading 45 trillion operations per second. That's a lot. Everyday tasks are faster and smarter. With exceptional power efficiency expertly managed by the tuning of the Slim 7X, you can enjoy up to 23.5 hours of video playback on a single battery charge. Processor: Snapdragon X Elite 3.4 GHz, 12-core. NPU: Qualcomm Hexagon NPU, up to 45 TOPS. IPC category: Copilot plus PC. Chipset: Qualcomm SoC platform. Graphics: integrated Qualcomm Adreno GPU. Memory: 32GB LPDDR5. Storage: 1TB SSD M.2 PCIe NVMe. Case color: Cosmic Blue. Case material: aluminium, top, aluminium, bottom. Display: 3K OLED with 90 Hz. The highly reflective OLED touchscreen impresses with a high resolution of 2944 by 1840 pixels and a subjectively great image quality. In contrast to many other OLED touchscreens, there is no grid effect in bright areas here. The colors look extremely vibrant, black is saturated, movements look very smooth thanks to the 90 Hz refresh rate, and the response times are very fast. Both the brightness and the color temperature can be adjusted automatically to the surrounding light conditions. Left, 2 USB-C 4.0, 40 gigabits per second, DisplayPort Alt Mode 1.4, Power Delivery 3.1. Right, Webcam E-shutter, Power button, USB-C 4.0, 40 gigabits per second, DisplayPort Alt Mode 1.4, Power Delivery. Soothing touch. Premium Suite means a premium keyboard. With 1.5mm key travel and 0.3mm dish keycaps, in such an insanely thin laptop, you can type like you text fast and furious. Tough and grease resistant, this rig's keyboard is durable enough to keep up with your adventures. Touchpad: buttonless glass surface multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad. Sound snack. Quadruple your audio feast with 4 Dolby Atmos speakers and 4 noise-cancelling mics. Serve up studio-quality sound for all your beats and banter. Webcam. The top edge of the display lid houses a 1080p webcam that creates recordings of best quality. The studio effects from Windows are of course also supported. In addition, there is also an electronic shutter and an IR module for face recognition via Windows Hello. Amazingly slim, unexpectedly tough. Ultra-thin Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X on deck. Starting at just 2.82 pounds, 1.28 kilograms and 0.51 inches, 12.9 millimeters, this is the ultimate in portable power. With its comfort edge design and cool cosmic blue chassis, it's engineered for on-the-move creators. And it's passed 21mm STD810H tests, ensuring its durability and reliability in the toughest conditions. Power up with the Lenovo AI Core chip. Lenovo AI Core is all about genius-level performance management for your battery's longevity. Dive into 3D rendering or film cuts. The AI Core adapts like a pro to your workload while keeping your data on lockdown. Work smart, play hard, charge less. Ethernet: no onboard Ethernet. WLAN plus Bluetooth 2, Wi-Fi 7, 802.11b 2x2 plus BT 5.4. Security chip Microsoft Pluton TPM 2.0 enabled. A new era begins with Copilot Plus. Copilot in Windows. Personalized assistance. Answers relevant to you. Copilot in Windows is here to help with what you do every day, no matter what it looks like. Batman had Robin and you have Copilot.